Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore Snapchat streaks. To start the process, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Here tap on setting icon on your top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on I lost my snap streak. After that, tap on I'm having trouble restoring my snap streak. Here you need to read the information. Then tap on How do I request a refund for a Snapstreak Restore purchase and read its information. Then go back and tap on I need help. Here tap on I lost my Snapstreak. Now tap on I lost my Snapstreak, how do I restore it? Scroll down to read the details and double click on the video to play it. The video provides more details. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.